Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need core values before plugging numbers in. Start by listing what you know. S, U, V, A, T. Decide which equation isolates the unknown. Use V equals U plus at for velocity after time t, S equals ut plus 1/2 at 2 for displacement, or V2 equals U2 plus 2 as when time is missing. Once done, convert units to C and simplify algebraically so you don't carry unit errors. Make sure to keep signs for direction consistent. Negative acceleration is deceleration when appropriate. You now rearrange the chosen formula to solve cleanly for the unknown. Substitute numeric values including units, then calculate step by step. Isolate constants like 1/2 before multiplying. For example, compute 1/2 at T2 first, then add ut to get S. Once done, verify unit cancellation produces the expected unit and round using appropriate significant figures. Make sure to track vector directions. If motion is along one axis, maintain positive or negative consistently. You're ready to finalize. Compare the computed value to expected behavior, speeds should be non-negative in magnitude, and displacement direction should match signs. If the result looks wrong, recheck algebraic steps, unit conversion, and sign conventions. Common mistakes include mixing kilometers with meters or dropping a negative sign. Once done, use V2 equals U2 plus 2 as when time is unknown, and make sure to reevaluate assumptions like constant acceleration. Troubleshooting tip: if answers conflict, trace back to the original knowns and repeat substitutions slowly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.